Hi everybody, I'm thrilled to be here with you today. My name is Jason Silva. Many of you guys might know me for hosting 5 seasons of National Geographic's Brain Games television series. Now I'm here today because I am passionate about human creativity, imagination, and ingenuity. I'm here today because my passion for imagination has evolved to become a passion for technology. For really, I view technology as the embodiment of human imagination in the world. I see technology as human creativity literalized. Technology is the human mind turned inside out. Philosophers David Chalmers and Andy Clark, in their famous extended mind thesis, refer to technology as a scaffolding of the mind that extends our thoughts, our reach, and our vision. And it has always been so. 100,000 years ago, early humans foraged the savannas of Africa, where we might have used sticks on the ground to help us reach fruits that were hanging on high tree branches. We've always used our tools to extend our reach and to transcend our limits. Now, today we live in disruptive times. We live in the age of exponential change. Everything is changing. Nothing is static nor set in stone. Whether it's the relentless technological progress we've been witnessing or the viral pandemic that stormed the world in 2020, normal just isn't what it used to be. But that's the thing, guys. Nothing ever stays normal for long. Disruption has always shaken the world, from harnessing fire to the development of stone tools, the alphabet, or the wheel. The world has been upended many times before. And each time, my friends, we rise to meet the changes with adaptability, grace, and resilience. So why does change feel so fast and abrupt nowadays? Well, one reason is exponential technology. You see, human beings intuitively think linearly, but technology progresses exponentially. To understand the implications of this difference and what exponential progress means, let me give you an example used by futurist Ray Kurzweil. If you take 30 linear steps, you get to 30. If you take 30 exponential steps, you get to 1 billion. Same amount of steps, but linear steps progress steadily, while exponential steps, well, upend the world. That's why the typical device or smartphone you use today is 1 million times cheaper, 1 million times smaller, and 1,000 times more powerful than what used to be a $60 million supercomputer that was half a building in size 40 years ago. You see the difference? At this pace of change, everything is up for grabs. Another reason we must be prepared to think exponentially and adjust to a new normal is because of disruptions that we couldn't have predicted. Enter the 2020 coronavirus pandemic. The pandemic has transformed how we live and work. It sidelined the world. It made us adapt and quick. It brought the world to its knees. But I also believe it is accelerating innovation on a whole new scale, inspiring companies, customers, individuals, and businesses to rethink everything and become flexible, exponential thinkers, as they should. So, here we are in Zoomtopia, perhaps the most important tech gathering in this new normal. For Zoom has truly become the lifeline for human connection in these times. Zoom has revolutionized meetings, no doubt. Yet the transition towards the new normal brings a realization that the bridge between the virtual and the physical remains broken. We must restore symmetry. The new normal requires software and hardware that come together in perfect symmetry and transform the way that we meet. We must remain connected. We must feel connected, even while we're physically apart. There's no doubt about this. Arthur C. Clarke famously said, "Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic." And the new normal, my friends, is all about magic. technology that simply gets out of the way to make in-person and online meetings indistinguishable, helping us solve problems together no matter where we are around the globe. Just like the rise of the coffee shop and the rise of cities allowed for the cross-pollination of ideas that propelled innovation forward, so too the rise of the internet and Zoom collapsed geography, further fueling massive cross-pollination of ideas that can help us address the grand challenges of our businesses, but also of humanity. 1 year ago, a company was launched that perfectly married hardware and software, resolving friction and seamlessly integrating video meetings into our lives. 1 year ago, Eric from Zoom and OJ from Neat walked hand in hand across the Zoomtopia stage and launched a revolutionary new partnership, forging a perfect union, an alliance of software and hardware, working together, becoming one. Game-changing, and yet so simple. It just works and up-levels the experience of all Zoom users. Two teams came together to innovate for the future, a future that wasn't written yet, with new features that would suddenly become so relevant in the new normal, such as the ability to monitor air quality and real-time counting of people. The Neat Bar has made video available across every meeting space, across every meeting room, every yoga studio, every classroom, and even meeting spaces that video has never seen before. Now, sometimes to restore symmetry, you need more than just video to come together and create. You might need an infinite canvas where everyone can contribute, where students and teachers come together to learn and share knowledge. A true meeting of the minds played out on canvas. Today, in large meeting rooms, people can't be seen. You lose the human connection. You lose symmetry. Neat Bar Pro completely restores the felt presence of individuals, showing you everyone in ways you couldn't see and connect with them before. Find the people, bring them out, and restore symmetry. Then there's those of us working at home, in our rooms, on our desks, in the kitchen. The kids are screaming. And the world has been exposed to video from our homes. And while we've experienced genuine connection to loved ones and colleagues, the virtual meeting world has made us painfully aware of meeting fatigue. It has exposed our private spaces. Our dogs have been barking, our children clamoring for our attention. So if working from home truly is the next big thing, we need this experience upgraded and fast, with devices that address our personal workspace, devices that help you look professional, at your best, with no distractions, noise, or clutter. Delivering symmetry to your desk, boosting confidence and flow, heightening presence, engagement, and focus, stepping up your game. So guys, times are tough. Things have changed, and they will keep changing. But we adapt, we evolve, we up our game, and rest assured, as we find our way in this new normal, Neat has got your back. Thank you very much.